Want to download EA Sports FC26 on your PC but don't know the official and safest way? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install FC26 step by step using the official method. No fake websites, no viruses, and no confusion. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Steam. Here is a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Go to the official website and click Install Steam at the top. This is the most important step, so don't click any other buttons on the page. Run the downloaded setup file, choose your language and installation path, and finish installing Steam. Here's a pro tip. Installing on an SSD instead of a hard drive will make Steam load much faster. Open Steam and sign in with your account. If you don't have one, click Create a free account in the bottom right. Use a strong password and enable Steam Guard for extra security. Head over to the Store tab at the top and type FC26 into the search bar. Here is a quick heads up. Make sure you are typing FC26 and not FIFA 26, as the game name has changed. Select the game from the list, scroll down to check the pricing, and click Add to Cart. Keep an eye on the edition you are buying, as there are multiple versions. Go to your cart, proceed to checkout, select your preferred payment method, and complete the purchase. You'll receive a receipt confirmation via email. Navigate to your library tab on Steam and click on FC26. This is where all your purchased games live. Click Install. Make sure you have enough free space on your drive before starting. Once the download finishes, click Play to launch the game.